If you want to earn online, then today's video is for you. Can you see my earnings report? I am earning online by doing CPA affiliate marketing. If you want to earn money online, then I have given a secret course method for you in this video description box. You will get it if you check the description box. But due to lack of proper guidelines, we cannot earn from online. But do you know that earning from online is really easy if you work according to the guidelines? Now if you want to earn money by learning CPA affiliate marketing job from online, then you will get a course video link if you check this video description box. If you continue with this course, hopefully you can do it online. Because all secret traffic sources are given in this course. You can find all the details here. So don't delay and learn from this post quickly from online. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe. Because I give videos of all updated methods of earning online in my channel. We will be promoting our CPA affiliate offer on the traffic sources we have today. The name of that traffic source is Crunchyroll. You will get powerful traffic in this website. If we analyze the traffic of this website, so here you can see all the traffic is United States, Germany, Canada. So basically we need traffic from all these countries to promote the offer. So we are opening a new type. Now we will search by keeping Crunchyroll. So you can see that our website has come to our search results. Now we will open the website. Our website is open now. We must create an account here if we want to work. So you can see here we will click on profile icon. From here we will click on create account option and click on our account. So to create here now, we must create an account with our email ID and password. Then you can see that we have to give a user ID here, so we will click on the continue option with the user ID here. Our account must be verified, so we will check the email we created the account with. So here you can see we have been sent a link for verification. We will just open the link. So viewers, you can see our account, but verification is complete. So you can see there is an option above the browser. We will click there. So here you can see there are many categories. If you want, you can promote your offers by marketing in all these categories. So I am showing you how to work. I am showing you a little process. You will work according to that process. We will click on popular option, which is here. So here you can see all the posts are showing. Then from here we will click on popularity and click on new. After clicking on new, we can see all the posts here. If you notice, all the posts here are published 1 or 2 hours ago and 1 or 2 days ago. We will open a few posts from here. You will open the same few posts like me while working. Now we come to our CPA network. From here we will click on URL locker for monetization option. So from here we will first choose a tablet. We are selecting a template. Then I click on general from here and change the text that I have here. Then we will select 5 offers from the show offer here. When everything is complete, we will save from here. Then we will copy the link of our offer by clicking on the get link from here. Then we will shorten our link through bit.ly website. After our link is shortened, we will just copy the link. Then we will come back to our marketing website. We will come down a bit. And then you can see here the most helpful option. We have to click on it. After clicking here, you can see new here. We will click on new. You can see here that many people have commented. We will mainly promote our offers through comments within this website. So here we will click on Add Review to comment. Then you can see the title here, and we have to write the review that we have and post it here. You write a title related to the offer. Then we will write a post or review related to one of our offers. I wrote a post related to my offer, and then I added the link to my CPA affiliate link. I am clicking on this post option. So here you can see my post has been published. I can start burning leads only when any traffic or visitor comes and sees my post and opens my link. So you will continue to do marketing here in this process and make 10 to 20 comments every day. Hope you get a good result. If you like this video, please like, comment and share. Thank you all.